Hello dear traders, today is Saturday, markets are closed, so that's good because it gives me time to do my weekly blog overview video. Sorry for the audio, this is my portable microphone. So yeah, let's look at some of the blog posts of last week. So let's go back a little bit. So here on the 27th of March, dollar yen, we had these inner range medium-term stops above the price on the 1 hour chart. Some shorties coming in, so the price came down a lot. The low has been cleared. Down money switch from longies to shorties. Okay, squeeze against longies is over, and then inner range targets above the high. Exactly what you want to see for a long trade up. Dollar yen going for the inner range MTS as expected. Not difficult after such a long down move. And here on the 30th of March, took the inner range MTS as expected. Okay, some nice 1 hour chart inner range medium term stop hunts this week in dollar yen, like here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so nice one. Sometimes if you trade such a nice inner range MTS, you actually get into a squeeze. So in that case, you try to ride the move longer. Yeah, if you see a squeeze is emerging, because you may have had a perfect entry into a longer move as well. Okay, 28th of March, dollar cut. Oh yeah, that's a good one. So we had the situation where the proper 4 hour reversal down, all these stops get taken, but then we have suddenly more longies entering the market. So all the longies trying to buy the dip in dollar cut, thinking it will go up. Yeah, and they try to enter cheaply. And as you know, what happens is, like I wrote here at 5 to 6, on the day chart, dollar cut looks bearish on the day chart. Probably wants to clean the lower moving average stops if the money longies keep on buying. Okay. So we see we already have longies. There are nice day chart moving average targets below the price. Above the price, there are old longy positions here. They're all in drawdown, and there's even an emerging squeeze against the longies. So that's bearish. And on the 30th of March, dollar cut as expected. Yeah. Look at this. Boom. Nice move to the lower moving averages as expected. Dollar cut was a good analysis. These are the cases where the higher time frames dominate the lower ones. Okay, you can see this very easily on the higher time frame. Nice down trade. Okay, good prediction. Came down against the down money longies, squeeze against the longies. Yeah, it's like a failed 4 hour reversals against the longies, and look, it resulted into a squeeze. Okay, so again, it was a great entry. So this entry is expensive for us, but it's into a failed H4 reversal setup. You see. And longies are buying, so we are selling, and this is fantastic. Okay, so that was a good one. 28th of March, pound dollar rather bullish but sensitive to the money switch. So here again on the day chart, look, you see how bullish that looks. Yeah, you see the long-term stops, shorties below the price, nice highs as a target. So to trade up against the shorties is not difficult. And as I said, look, so it came up nicely, and then the down money switch came eventually after the nice up move. Okay, as a mini down money switch first, you see I wrote at 12:48 on the 31st, a mini down money switch going on in pound dollar. If more longies come in and more shorties leave the market, red squeeze land collapse, then cable will come off, and that's exactly what happened during the day. Okay, so look at that at 12:48, this nice 30-minute target here, and then at 9:30 in the evening it took it. Okay, because as I said, longies kept on buying, shorties kept on leaving the market, and of course they went for the inner range medium term stop. Nice one, huh? And on the 4 hour chart, look, like a nice reversal on the 4 hour chart. Okay, upper band has been kissed, highs have been cleared, the money switch from shorties to longies, so 4 hour reversal energy down. Again, remember, when you have 4 hour reversal energy plus your inner range stop hunt, a nice combination. Okay, not difficult. 27th of March, euro dollar. Let's go a bit back. So very interesting. You see a target above the price. So that was clear that the euro dollar wants to take it out. Okay, that's exactly what happened. So took the inner range target in euro dollar, and so on the 31st, similar to cable as I wrote here. Yeah, the same thing. The money switch, collapse and squeeze line, inner range stop hunt. And also order gap fill, by the way, here. Yeah, a 30-minute chart and also 1 hour chart, as you can see with the MKWeb 12. By the way, sorry, the explanation videos have to be uploaded again to the video course. Should happen this weekend. Apologies for that. Okay, so they took the targets. Shorties are kicked out underneath the market. Long is coming in. So DAR move as a result of the DAR money switch from short to long, from DAR money sellers to DAR money buyers, and as a result, the inner range stops get been taken and the order gaps get filled. Okay. Euro dollar similar to pound dollar. DAR money switch allows euro dollar to reach for the inner range MTS and order gaps. Okay. And again, on the forward chart, look how nice that looks. Okay, high forward chart band, DAR money switch, collapse, DAR move to the lower targets. Not difficult. Australian dollar on the 28th, it took this inner range, medium term stop. Then some shorties came in. We had the data, the unemployment and GDP on Thursday. On the 29th here we see. So it took the upper one. Then we have some longies and the lower target. Okay. And on the 31st, we see better here, 1250. So lower target has been cleared. And then another upper target has been cleared. Okay. Then here at 1250 on the 31st is say Australian dollar looking bearish there, almost filled the 1 hour order gap. Some longies, some emerging squeezes. So nice short entry. Okay. That's what you want to see. Pullback, filled the order gap, longies. So again, down move expected, especially here. Boom. Okay. Nice down move to the lower target. Okay. 28 Kiwi took upper MTS, the same, very similar. Often Kiwi and Aussie look similar. Kiwi took the inner range 30-minute chart, medium term stop against the red shorties here, then drawdown, boom, took the target, and then similar to Australian dollar after it took it. Okay. Kiwi looking a little bit similar to Australian dollar. Made a mistake here. But as less DAR money long is filled the upper M30 order gap, red collapses inner range MTS below. Again looking okay on the forward chart and came down nicely. Pay attention how with this pin they took the inner range MTS and how precise that is. These things are not random, okay? They are not random. And even look how interesting on the 1 hour chart also filling the order gap. So at the same time taking the medium term stop and filling the order gap with a pin to the precision. How cool is that? You won't find this stuff anywhere else, ladies and gentlemen. 28th of March, euro pound in between 2 1 hour. Ah, yeah, that was a nice one. We had 2 medium term stops, 1 on each side. Okay, and I said euro pound is in between 2 targets. If one gets taken, that could be a good entry towards the opposite one. Yeah, so either takes the lower one, nice up trade, or takes the upper one, nice down trade. Because and that's what happened. Look. So at 542, euro pound did a nice 4-hour reversal down to the middle of the H4 range. You see, there's still some squeeze energy, so it should take that lower 1 hour MTS. We've got some longies, and here we see that nicely. Okay, now got a bit more complex, but you see it better on the 31st. So they took the upper one, nice short target. You see, nice short target into the towards the lower ones. First upper one, then lower one. Yeah, euro pound took the upper 1 hour medium term stop. Now reaching for the lower one. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. Okay. Also interesting, on the 30th I posted this here in silver, where here an ongoing squeeze on the forward chart against the shorties. Okay, so there's a good chance it completes a gray pattern. So I did a long, but on the 31st we suddenly have the option strike signal short, so I took profit. I took profit on silver for now because of the 1 hour option signal. Once the target was reached, I see whether I can buy again or not. Let's see next week. Euro yen on the 30th, typical failed 4-hour reversal because of the money shorties. Okay, so we are in the upper band, but then shorties come in. No longies for a 4-hour reversal, but shorties. They are selling. They're trying to sell cheaply. So originally they were on the right side, so to speak, but then we know it goes up against them. Okay, and here you see it nicely. I also linked the video where I explained it again, okay? The YouTube video. The failed 4-hour reversal against the working 4-hour reversal, yeah? You see it nicely. Some honorable mentions here. Pound yen came up against the shorties, and look, we had 2 open option signals which got filled nicely. The first successful one, very good one, okay? Order gap fill plus option signal. And here, interesting, on the 28 euro Aussie, continued squeeze against the shorties. So more shorties came in, euro Aussie, a squeeze in day chart that dominates everything. So it went up all the way, took